The Milky Way is a band of light we can see some nights in the dark sky,
with billions of stars all together making a shape as if milk was spilled,
including the sun, the biggest star in our solar system, with all of the planets dancing around it.
Our planet Earth is a special one. So many living beings, from microorganisms, tiny living things we cannot even see with our bare eyes, to bigger organisms like fungus, plants, animals, and humans like us, all living together in different parts of the planet.
Some organisms live in the oceans, others in rivers, swamps, beaches, mountains, forests, and many different places around the globe, creating circles of life going round and round, circulating the existence of everything.
A cycle begins and a cycle ends every single day.
On Earth we find continents, pieces of land broken into sections from what once was a single land mass called Pangea. We live in North America, in the state of South Carolina. We have many beautiful marshes, swamps, rivers, and beaches located in the southeastern United States. Our habitats are special places for unique organisms and animals like oysters and whales. The weather is warm, sunny, and breezy.
Charleston is an amazing city in which to live. A rainbow row of colorful houses, smells, and southern flavors, with gorgeous landscapes everywhere. Even though things were not always good for everyone in Charleston in the past, now we try to work and grow together, and we learn new ways to create better days ahead. We learn to work for our community, united neighbors, family, and friends to make Charleston a better place.
In our school, we learn to be better people and make friends.
Each of us is unique and different, but at the same time, we're very much the same. We are all made of the same stardust, as they say, the same matter that birthed our universe and splattered those stars across the beautiful Milky Way. When we look inside oneself and we consider the world around us, it's called introspection. It's a big word, but basically it means to feel connected to ourselves and to feel connected to the people in the world around us. So when we're in our garden, we take a good look at the seeds and we remember that every little seed is a living thing just like you and me. On Earth, we have 3 natural resources that we depend on to survive: the soil, the water, and the air. Without any one of these resources, all living things would just disappear. But don't worry, we are learning new ways to maintain clean air, water, and soil, and how to take better care of our planet. We've learned to farm and to plant organically, and to grow our food in a mindful way so that we can get the best nutritional foods without damaging the earth. Thanks to science, we've learned how to use renewable resources instead of the oil to power our cars and our homes. By using air and solar energy for power instead of the oil, which is buried deep within the Earth's crust, we are actually restoring our environment and we are protecting its future. We can each do our part by learning healthy habits and finding new ways to support each other and our world. We can reduce our waste by reusing things. We can compost our fruits and our veggies so that our garden soil is healthy. We can keep our waterways clean by preventing oil, fertilizers, and plastics from ever getting in. So, just by choosing a healthy diet, reusing your bags and your bottles, and making a promise to yourself that you will never ever litter, you are actually helping the planet, and this is a big first step. We cannot replace the water, the soil, or the air. And because of this, our environment is perhaps the greatest gift that's ever been given. From the tiniest of organisms to the funniest one of your friends. to the brightest star on the darkest of nights. This is our world. Let's take care of it.